Hi everyone, today is Erin from the Engineering Success Center. I'm going to show you what you can do with docs and files in Basecamp. So, as you can see, you can have folders of different files. I'm sure you know how to make those by now, where you just make a new folder and you can upload things like Google Docs, Google Sheets, or OneDrive files, anything like that. But what you might not know is that you can create a document right in Basecamp. So you just click make a new doc. You can type in maybe links or a note for people to see, things like that. I wouldn't necessarily use it as a substitute for Word or Google Docs, but it's just good if you want to make up a note or a list of things. So I can post this again there, so you can see it just like almost like a message. Wouldn't give people a notification, but it's a good way to just sort of document things. Like I've used it for I've done research in my design group. I put all my links for a specific topic in one of these documents so that other people can see what I've looked at, or I can refer back to what I've looked at. Yeah, and then in the document itself, you can change obviously the colors of each file. I'm sure you've all figured that out by now. And you can link files from Google Drive, which I'm sure you've also figured out. You would just go to your link for your Google document, title it with the link here. You have to make sure the share settings are set so that people with the link can view your file. And yeah, just post it like that. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just reach out to the Engineering Success Center.